Hello, boys and girls, welcome. Welcome back with the third puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Friday, January 14th, 2022, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, no, it's the edition of yesterday. Yesterday, Thursday, January the 13th, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 1 star and the 2 stars. There are two puzzles left, the tectonic one and the binary one. And it's time now for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number, let me position the camera, number 3982. 3982. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Well, I see here a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Alright, so these two boxes should be an O. Okay, of course, double O, a double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one here and O there. No. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then, yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones, of course. Overlooked. Double one, here no, there no. Well, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth 1. So this box should be an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Okay. Yeah. Now will be difficult. Now we need to compare. And we have 2 rows. Can we compare the 2 rows? Yeah. This one and that one. 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. And I need to compare again, I think. Well, yeah. Let me see. 101. 101, 001. This row and that row. 11001100011. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 and O there, no. Double O and 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper. In additional, it will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.